बात करने वाले हैं क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस की। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर क्लास 9, 10 एंड एज वेल एज फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स फॉर preparing for any competitive exam. So let's see what is quadratic equations. Quadratic equations की बात करने से पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए quadratic क्या होता है। Quadratic के पहले हम बात करेंगे algebraic expressions। Algebraic expressions क्या होते हैं? They are the expressions when the constants and variables, जब हम constants और variables को साथ में लिखते हैं, when constants and variables are written together with the help of different arithmetic operators. I used three terms. तीन terms की बात करिए. First is constants. So constants क्या होते हैं? Which have fixed value. कोई से भी values जिनकी values fixed है. They are called constants. For example, numbers. All real numbers 1, 2, 3, 1000, 10,000, 112. Any numbers are example of constants. Constants क्या होते हैं जिनकी values fixed होती है, which are having fixed value. Next I have told variable. What are variables? Which do not have fixed value. Okay, constants which are having fixed value, variables which do not have fixed value. For example, alphabets X, Y, Z, A, B, C, all the alphabets which do not have fixed value are called variables. Okay, जैसे x की value कभी confirm नहीं रहेगी, कभी fixed नहीं रहेगी. According to questions, we are changing the values of x, y, z, so they are variables. Okay. And third, I have told arithmetic operator. सभी ने सुना है अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर. सिंपली अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स आर प्लस, माइनस, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. दिस फोर आर कॉल्ड अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स. So again I am repeating, algebraic expressions are the expressions where constants and variables are written together with the help of arithmetic operators. ऐसे expressions जिसमें constants और variables दोनों साथ में लिखते हैं किसकी मदद से? arithmetic operators की. They are called algebraic expressions. So algebraic expressions के example देखते हैं. 2x plus 1, it is an algebraic expression. 2p plus 3q, it is also an algebraic expression. x square plus 4x plus 5, it is also an algebraic expression. किसी भी expression को algebraic होने के लिए क्या क्या conditions थी? They should be constant, they should be variable and they are connected with any arithmetic operator. First example में देखते हैं, हमारे पास में x variable है, 2 and 1 are constant and plus is arithmetic operator. So it is an algebraic expression. Similarly, here 2 and 3 are constant, p and q are variable, and plus addition is arithmetic operator. So these are the example of algebraic expression. Now to understand quadratic, we will see one term related to algebraic expression, that is degree. Degree of algebraic expression. So degree of algebraic expression is defined as the highest power of variable in our algebraic expression. What I have told in simple language, किसी भी algebraic expression में highest power, किसकी बात करेंगे हम? highest power. किसकी highest power? highest power of variable. So highest power of variable is known as the degree of algebraic expression. See, for example, 4x square plus 9x cube. So here what will be degree? So see, first we will see power, highest power of variables. यहाँ variable क्या है हमारे पास में? x है. यहाँ पर x की power क्या है? 2. And here what is the power of x? 3. And we are telling highest power. So which one is greater? 3. So here degree will be 3. Okay. Have you got this one? Degree of any algebraic expression is defined as the highest power of variable. Here power is 2 and power is 3. So highest power is 3. That is why 3 is called the degree of that polynomial. See, one more example, x cube plus 9x square plus 4x raised to the power 4. What will be degree of this algebraic expression? So here power is 3, here 2 and here 4. So highest power is 4. That is why this 4 is called the degree of this particular algebraic expression. I hope you got this degree of algebraic expression. Now on the basis of degree, algebraic expressions are classified. First one we are having linear. Second one is quadratic. And third one is cubic. See, if in any algebraic expression you are having degree 1, अगर किसी भी algebraic expression की degree 1 है, then it will be called linear. If you are having degree equals to 2, then it is quadratic. And if degree is 3, then it is called cubic. Okay. So algebraic expression with degree 1 is linear, with degree 2 is quadratic, with degree 3 cubic. Okay. Now here we are going to talk about quadratic. So let's see quadratic equation. So till now it is clear that what is quadratic. Now quadratic equation, if any quadratic algebraic expression or quadratic polynomial is written in the form of equation or we are equating it, then it is called quadratic equation. So see, what is the standard form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या गिवन है हमारे पास में? ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इक्वल्स टू 0 वेयर a b एंड c, a b c क्या है? रियल वैल्यूज. रियल वैल्यूज, दैट मीन्स दे आर कांस्टेंट एंड हियर x is a variable. Okay, so standard form of quadratic equation is given as ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 where a b c are real values or constant and x is variable. Now how question arise from this quadratic equation? We have to find the zeros of quadratic equation or value of variable of quadratic equation. Now we are going to see how we are finding the zeros of quadratic equation. Zeros or the value of variable. Zeros means the value of variable in our quadratic equation. हमारे पास में स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म गिवन है ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इक्वल्स टू 0. So किसी भी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस में x की या किसी भी वेरिएबल्स की कितनी वैल्यूज आती है? 2. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन डिग्री. किसी भी अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन की अगर फाइंड करना है कि यहाँ पर हमारे वेरिएबल की कितनी वैल्यूज आएगी, इट विल डिपेंड ऑन डिग्री ऑफ दैट अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. जो भी डिग्री रहेगी हमारे अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन की, दैट इज द नंबर ऑफ जीरोज और नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज ऑफ वेरिएबल इन दैट अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. सिंपली इफ आई टॉक अबाउट लीनियर, हम किसी भी लीनियर अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन की बात करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल 2x प्लस 1. सो यहाँ पर टोटल कितनी वैल्यूज रहेगी x की? 1. सिमिलरली एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 1, यहाँ पर टोटल कितनी वैल्यूज रहेगी x की? कितने जीरोस निकलेंगे? 2. हाईएस्ट पावर, दैट इज डिग्री. डिग्री विल टेल अस हाउ मेनी वैल्यूज ऑफ वेरिएबल वी विल गेट इन दैट अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. सी, इफ आई एम हैविंग 3x 4x cube plus 2x, so here number of values of x will be 3. So similarly in quadratic equations we are getting 2 zeros. How many zeros we are getting? 2 zeros or 2 values. Now to find the zeros of quadratic equations. Quadratic equations में x की values निकालने के लिए, x की 2 values निकालने के लिए हमारे पास में mainly 2 methods है. We will talk about 2 methods. First one will be splitting middle term. And second one is quadratic formula. ठीक है, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस में जीरोस निकालने के लिए, वेरिएबल्स की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए हमारे पास में मेनली 2 मेथड से इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए. फर्स्ट वन इज स्प्लिटिंग मिडिल टर्म एंड सेकंड वन इज क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. सो लेट्स सी फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. Quadratic formula, or it is also called Sridharacharya formula. So the formula is given to solve the equation, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2 into a. This one is the quadratic formula. By using this formula we are finding the values of x or values of variable of our quadratic equations. इस फॉर्मूले की मदद से हम यहाँ पर डिफरेंट हमारे क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस की वेरिएबल्स की वैल्यूज फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, सो हियर b a c दे आर द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर, x and c is the constant and x is the variable. Okay, let's understand it by example. X square plus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. Those are the quadratic equations. We have to find the value of x, so we have to find the zeros. How many values you will get? Here you will get 2 values. In quadratic equations always we are getting 2 values. Now see, first step we will compare it by standard form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So here a you will get 1, coefficient of x square is 1, b you will get 2 and c you will get 3. Okay. Now we will put values of a, b, c in our formula. So first is minus b, that is minus 2, plus minus under root b square, that is 4, minus 4ac. 4 into a into c upon 2a, 2 into 1. So on solving, what you will get? Minus 2 plus minus under root 4 minus 4 into 3 upon 2. Now further it will be minus 2 plus minus under root minus 8 upon 2. Now separate this arithmetic operators. So one value it will be minus 2 plus under root minus 8 upon 2, and second one will be minus 2 minus under root minus 8 upon 2. So these are the two values of x or two zeros of quadratic equations. So this is how we are using this formula. This is how we are applying the formula. Let's see one more example. Two x square plus 2x square plus 3x minus 9 equals to 0. Again, first of all, we will compare it by the standard form. So a you will get 2, b you will get 3, and c minus 9. Put this value in our formula. So x is equals to minus b, minus 3 plus minus under root b square, that is 9, minus 4ac, 4 into a, that is 2, and c minus 9 upon 2a, 2 into a. Now x equals to minus 3 same plus minus. इसे solve कर देंगे हम अंदर, so it will be 9 minus, sorry minus minus it will be plus, go to the 8, 8 9 2 2 4. Okay, so minus 3 plus minus under root 72 plus 9, it will be 81 upon 4, minus 3 under root 81, we all know that it is equals to 9 4. Okay, now separate this arithmetic operator. So one value you will get x equals to minus 3 plus 9 upon 4, that is 9 minus 3, 6 by 4, 3 by 2, and second value you will get x equals to, here we will take minus sign, minus 3 minus 9 upon 4, so it will be minus 12 upon 4, that is equals to minus 3. So here you got two values, that is 3 by 2 and minus 3. So this is how we are using this quadratic formula to find the values of x in our quadratic equation. Now second method, we are having splitting middle term to solve the quadratic equations that we are going to see in second part of this video. I hope you got this concept, and if you have any doubt, write in comment box.